Cremini mushroom caps filled and then baked with a flavorful prosciutto, parmesan, and panko stuffing. Imagine serving these at your next party or get-together. Easy stuffed mushroom caps. Great thing about this recipe, you can make the mushroom caps in advance, put them in the fridge. Then when your friends come over, just pop them in the oven for a 15-minute bake, and then everyone enjoys. Here's how to make them. Let's start with the mushrooms themselves. I have 24 medium-sized Cremini mushrooms, never washed mushrooms. Instead, we take a damp paper towel and we brush the caps, cleans them up perfectly. Next, we snap away the stems. We're going to be finely chopping those stems to about 3/4 of a cup's worth. We're going to reserve the chopped mushroom stems to the side. Next step builds flavor. We need to season our mushroom caps. The prepared caps go into a medium-sized bowl. Let's drizzle them with extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of kosher salt and black pepper. Gently give them a toss to coat. We can set the caps to the side. Now let's head to stovetop for a quick, simple sauté. Small skillet on moderate heat, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we're adding 3 small shallots, finely diced, 1 garlic clove, also finely diced, and then about 1/4 cup of minced prosciutto. Cook the shallots, garlic, and prosciutto in the pan, tossing them about for maybe 3 minutes until the shallots and garlic soften. Now we put those chopped mushroom stems to good use. We add them to the pan with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped flat leaf parsley. Cook until the pan goes dry. It'll take about 2 minutes. We're going to remove the pan from the heat, let the mixture cool. Our mushroom caps will be heading to the oven soon, but first we're going to make the stuffing, we're going to fill the caps, and then we bake. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. We're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then grab a medium-sized bowl, add the cooled shallot prosciutto mix plus 1 egg lightly beaten, 1 cup panko crumbs, 1/2 cup of beef stock, and finally 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Stir everything together to combine. Last step is to fill the mushroom caps. Just make sure you add enough stuffing to fill that little cup, and then you could add a little tiny dome onto the top of the cap. Let me show you. Fill the cup, then add a cap, and we repeat another, how many? 24 times. We're gonna transfer the stuffed mushroom caps onto the lined baking sheet as we prepare them. Now into the oven. For a 15-minute bake, they will be beautiful and gorgeously golden. When they come out of the oven, we're going to transfer them to an attractive little party plate. You can do a little sprinkle of chopped parsley on top. These little party snacks are perfect with cocktails. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when party snacks are this perfect, take a picture of them and post them using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials like Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Easy stuffed mushroom caps. Rule of thumb when you're planning a party, 3 hors d'oeuvres per person. In this case, you better plan for 6 because they're so delicious. Enjoy.